Good morning, children. Today's session for ninth class is on the topic Importance of Upward Communication Skill, Unit 6. The contents of this topic are Introduction, Objectives, Importance, Advantages and Disadvantages. Communication is a very important part in the business environment. Managers must be able to communicate with the employees, and employees must be able to communicate with the managers. Upward communication is the process of information flowing from the lower levels to the upper levels. For the top management, upward communication is an important source of information for the business decision. The communication in which the flow of communication goes from superiors to subordinate are called downward communication. The communication in which flow of communication goes from subordinate to superiors are called upward communication. Each employee is permitted to directly communicate with the top management about the various matters. Upward communication is the flow of information from frontline employees to managers, supervisors, and directors. Upward communication helps employees to express their requirement, ideas, and feelings. What are the objectives of upward communication skills? Face-to-face discussion, staff meeting, written reports, suggestion box, counseling, democratic management in general, respond, improve and encourage in decision making. Let's discuss about the advantages of upward communication skills. Feedback. It provides feedback from employees. As a result, the communication cycle completes and management can realize the reaction of the employees. Constructive ideas. Upward communication allows the employees to inform their views regarding the implementation of company policies. Helps in decision making. Establish good relationship between executives and employees. Mutual trust. Enhance coordination between employees and executives. Upward communication seems easier enough, but sometimes employees face sufficient barriers to communicate with the managers. Here we are going to discuss about the disadvantages. Filtering. When employee passes the message through supervisor may change the message. Upper management may not receive the intended message sent by the employee. Delay. Sometimes lower level employee hesitate to inform a problem to upward because of failure. It can delay the message. Non-cooperative attitude. Non-cooperative attitude to the executives damage the willingness of the employees to initiate upward communication. Thank you.